DVD, that vegan dude. It's a snack edition. Let's see what we got here. We got some Blue Diamond Almond Smokehouse. I had these before. Big bowl flavor. If you never tried it, don't deny it, because you're missing out, no doubt. Larry and Lenny's. It's a vegan, complete cookie. I just worked out earlier, so I can indulge in this. I need that protein, if you know what I mean. So let's see what it's about when I put it in my mouth. You know, some protein things are really bland, dull. This one's thick, and it's not really dull, chalky, or anything like that. But I can tell I'm getting the protein that I need. So, protein, Lenny and Larry's is one option. DVD at Vegan Dude.